In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a contact in AOL. First, open your browser and search for AOL. Type AOL into the search bar at the top, then press enter. You should see AOL appear near the top of the results, usually with the familiar blue and white logo and the text AOL in the title. Taking a second to check the logo helps you avoid opening a different site with a similar name. Once you see the results, click the correct AOL link and then click Sign In. The Sign In button is usually near the top right of the AOL page. After you click it, the Sign In page will load, showing a box where you can enter your username. When you finish signing in, you should land on your AOL homepage or mail inbox with a left side panel and a main message area on the right. Now, click the contacts icon. It looks like the silhouette of a card or sometimes two people. You will find it either on the left navigation panel or on the far right panel. When you click the contacts icon, a contact list opens, usually in a panel or full-page view. You should now see names or email addresses listed, sometimes with small avatars or initials beside them. If your list is long, you might also see a search box at the top of the contacts area. Next, select the contact you want to edit. Click directly on their name in the contacts list. After you click the name, their contact details open on the screen, showing the current email, maybe a phone number, and any other stored information like an address or notes. This detail view confirms you are working on the right person before changing anything. With that contact open, click on the three-dot icon and then click Edit Contact. The three dots usually sit near the top of the contact details, often on the right side of that panel. When you click them, a small menu appears. Choose Edit Contact from that menu. As soon as you choose it, the contact fields change into editable text boxes, so you can place your cursor in any field and start typing. Finally, you can now edit the name, email, phone, address, notes, personal and work details. Click Save. Take your time and update only what you need, for example, fixing a spelling mistake in the name, updating a new email, or adding a work phone. If you see separate sections for personal and work, you can keep home details in one area and office details in the other, which helps later when you search. Once you are done, click the Save button, usually at the bottom or top of the contact window. After you save, the view switches back to the normal contact details screen, now showing your updated information. You have just edited an AOL contact and saved all the new details correctly, so if this helped you clean up your address book, please give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more short AOL guides.